Hey guys, Megahertz here. So it's my first time doing voiceover, so bear with me. So today we have a build with these awesome switches built with Yok Pandas and Halo Trues. I usually call them the monochrome pandas, but they're like basically a shiny Holy Panda. The same but different, you know? We have these drop MT3 Keycaps, which are almost like SA, ABS, and they're freaking awesome. The board? Yeah. From Masterworks, it's a Classy TKL. 1 out of 100 in the wild. Yes, only 1 out of 100. Not sure what number it is, but they did include a certificate, which I forgot to actually include in the video, but it's there. Believe me, I swear. We have the stabs. As you can see, they're already on the PCB. They were put in by the previous owners, but I didn't include it in the video since they were really good already. They were lubed with the XHT-BDZ Krytox. So now that the soldering magic is done, let's do a bit more of the top housing. And easy. Let's go. Can't do magic on the screwing though, so you have to see that. Anyway, bottom housing has this cool white foam included in the package with space exactly for the daughter board. The top case standing like that just made my life so much simpler when assembling this board. So a bit more screws, and oh my god, just look at that mustache, just beautiful. Sure, it has scratches, but hey, it's still one of the best brass weights I've seen in a while. If you've seen others that you think are cool, comment down below. I doubt that you can, but anyway, look at these mono pandas looking all great and shiny and shimmery in their new home. Sorry, I keep blabbering, but in this very monochrome keyboard, don't you just love it when the color combination is just so perfect from inside and out, from the switches to the keycaps to the actual keyboard. Like marbles hitting each other, no? Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Hope you guys don't hate my voice. Lol. See ya!